Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Curing Electromagnetic Hypersensitivity. I'm here to review this experiment. So this experiment involves growing Dieffenbachia with different battery-powered watches. And I was quite surprised at the effect a battery-powered watch can have on a Dieffenbachia plant. Now the base for this experiment is that it is being grown in high radio wave fields of my home, which is near to 3 cell phone towers, and in a community of radio frequency transmitting meters. So let's start with this plant. So this one has a battery watch in it and it's wearing it. So this used to be a Dieffenbachia. As you can see, it's pretty much died, and this is the watch that it's been wearing. And it's a mix of analog and digital. I actually used to wear this watch for many years. I no longer wear it and I use it for experiments now. So we're going to replace this plant with this one, and instead of wearing the watch we're going to put it into the root system and it's going to be embedded into the pot. We're going to see how it fares in that configuration. And I'm not too concerned that it's died right now, but simply because, I've noticed in the last 18 months or so that I've been getting plant deaths across a wide range of plants and different experiments that I've been running. So it appears that something in the home is causing these plant deaths. I haven't quite figured it out yet. So that's that one. So let's look at this one. So it's a much healthier looking plant and it has a digital watch in its roots. And this was started in March 2014. I can tell you around that time the electromagnetic environment of my home changed because I cut down a tree that I found was emitting electromagnetic fields from it. And I also complained about a cell phone tower, and a transmitter was removed from that cell phone tower. That's coincided with seeing normal growth patterns in the Dieffenbachia. But the interesting thing about this plant is it's not showing truly normal growth patterns. You can see there's some glossiness in the leaf. And the leaves are not quite fully deformed. They're not bad, but they're not the way that they should be, and we'll see that as we go on to the next plant. So that was the digital watch in the roots. So this one is wearing an analog watch, and you can see that watch right there. So it's in amongst the stem structure, and this is the growth that the plant is exhibiting. So it's pretty much normal growth. So this is how the Dieffenbachia is supposed to grow. It has leaves the size of your hand. So it's doing pretty good, but you'll notice that the initial plant died in this experiment in June and was replaced. So this is the second plant, but so far so good with the second plant. And this is the king of these plants. It's huge. It's actually one of the biggest plants in the house that I have right now. It's actually one of the best looking plants, and this has a battery watch in the roots. It's analog and it looks quite like this one that I wear. So in there is a watch, and let's come up and we can see that we have this huge plant. It's actually very, very tall, and it's been growing since June 2013, so it's certainly had the harmful electromagnetic radiation exposures that were present in my house last year, and it's exhibiting some of the best growth that I've ever seen in a Dieffenbachia in my home. So there's definitely a beneficial effect occurring from the emissions out of this watch that is in the base, and that's the reason why I wear a similar model. So that's battery powered watches and growing plants with the electromagnetic emissions that come out of them. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.